Welcome to our channel. If you want to download Babbel lessons for offline use, follow these step-by-step instructions using the Babbel mobile app. Step 1. Download and install the Babbel app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android if you haven't already. Offline downloads are only available through the mobile app. Step 2. Open the Babbel app and log in with your account credentials. Ensure you have an active subscription, as offline access is a premium feature. Step 3. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network before downloading lessons, as lesson files can consume data and storage space on your device. Step 4. Navigate to the Courses section in the app, where you'll see all available lessons for your chosen language. Step 5. Look for the download icon, typically displayed as a downward arrow or cloud icon, next to the lessons or courses you want to access offline. Step 6. Tap the download icon for each lesson you want to save. You can download individual lessons or entire course sections depending on your needs. Step 7. Wait for the download to complete. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download status. Make sure your device has enough storage space. Step 8. Once downloaded, you can access your lessons offline by going to the Downloaded or My Courses section in the app menu. Step 9. Practice your language skills anytime, anywhere, without needing an internet connection. Your progress will be automatically synced when you reconnect to the internet. Step 10. To free up space on your device, you can delete downloaded lessons you've completed. Simply tap the download icon again to remove the offline content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.